Hello and welcome back. Keep it simple, short. Join&coin here. Thanks for your support. All right, short update for Cardano. Cardano, in my last update, we talked about here this inverse head and shoulders displayed out. So we saw here Cardano coming into 88 cents before, boom, we saw this massive crash. Really crazy at around 60% to the downside for Cardano, just to immediately bounce back up more than 100% back to the upside into 28 cents, then back to around 68 cents. Crazy times. Huge liquidation event. What should you say? Yeah, so many over leveraged traders here in the market and lots of manipulation. If you take a look on the weekly time frame and look at this, we barely hold here a new higher low, but this is crazy. What else can we see? Well, we immediately bounced back up. We are above the EMA 100 and between the EMA 100 and the 50 on the weekly time frame. And RSI potentially visit divergence because it didn't have the time to come that fast to the downside on the weekly time frame, and on the monthly, on the monthly time frame, there's nothing much to add here. So we saw a bit of a bounce here to the upside. So what are the next targets for Cardano? Well, I think what's most likely, the correction is not over. We can see here first, a second, a third leg up, and potentially we can see here a bit of, one way would be we would see here another high, or we can see here a kind of double top, then visiting the lows one more time, but not that much. So I think around 65 cents, this area here. And then we could see the real reversal. So for now, I remain cautious. Eventually, we see here a bit of a bounce, either way into the levels at 73.5 or a bit above at 75 cents. But latest then, I think we will see one more time visiting the lows before we can see a real reversal later on. All right, this is my short update for ADA. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.